Travel Bees. I have a long road ahead of me. I'm on the highway, 8 hours through. I'm going to my grandfather's memorial. It's something that we do here in Romania. After someone passes away, you go to a memorial, I don't know, to 6 months and 1 year, and then 1 year and a half and 2 years until 7 years. Anyway, this is tips and tricks, not funerary stuff, but I have a long day ahead and I will film a lot of short videos today into the car, as long as I have battery on my phone. So I wanted to share with you a tip for today, and actually it's a question for you to realize if you are doing it or not. Do you plan your weekly videos? Do you have each day something that you film? For example, for me, and it's good to have like this because there are different people who like different things. We're not talking about the community, because usually community likes you and wants to support you and see all your videos, but there are people that doesn't have a YouTube channel as a content creator. They are just users on YouTube and they are watching a certain type of things. For example, Monday I have Short Monday, and one Monday is Motivation Monday, Motivation Short Monday. One Monday is Did You Know Short Monday, and the third one is actually Honey Bunny's Short Monday, and you know, he's funny and stuff. So this is my Short Monday. On the next day, the second day, I have around the house happenings, grocery hauls and things like that. Third day, I have traveling outside Romania usually. Fourth day, I'm talking on days and not days of the week, because they are 7 days, and let's be honest. Fourth day is DIY and taste testing and things like that. Friday is 2 per week tips and tricks, and 2 per week's shout outs and let's grow together. Saturday is only for cooking, and on Friday and Sunday usually I'm talking about something Romanian, short videos. Not always, because I'm a bit struggling with time right now. As you see, I'm filming in the car because I don't have any time anymore on my hands. I committed this year to have at least 5 videos per week, and I'm sticking to that. Starting from next year, I will have only 3 videos, long content videos per week, and probably, I don't know, some shorts. But this year I'm a bit, I have my plate full for the moment. And what do I have? Romanian traditions, Romanian superstitions, and Romanian sayings on the short Friday short and Sunday short. And I will film a few shorts right now in the car, so I know for sure I will get them going, and they are funny actually. Some of them probably are worldwide saying and superstitions, and some of them are only pure Romanian or pure Balkanic superstitions or sayings. So let's film some now in the car. But this is my schedule. Usually I'm planning the videos per day.
Atenție,
What day
vehicul pe acostament.
Shut up. Each day I have a different theme. Do you do the same? If not, try to organize a little bit your day, your days like this. It gives you structure and help you with your target audience, because your audience will know, okay, on Monday we're watching this. For example, the Saturday's videos with cooking are going very well. The taste testing ones are going very well also.